Hello students, today our topic is a half adder. Half adder is the combinational logic circuit which is having two inputs and two outputs. So here adder is used for adding two binary numbers, that is 1-bit binary numbers. So half adder is having two inputs. This is the block diagram for half adder. Half adder has two inputs, A and B, two outputs, sum, carry. Let's take the truth table first. Truth table. First step is block diagram. Second step is truth table. In truth table, we are taking a input as well as the output. So two input, two output. So in truth table, input column and output column, two input, two output. Whenever we take two input, then we got four combinations, right? Number of inputs are 2, then 2 power 2, 4 combinations. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Sum 0 plus 0. We know already how to take the binary addition, right? So according to that, we are taking the truth table here. 0 plus 0, 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1, 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. So this is the truth table for half adder. So first step is block diagram, next step is truth table, and next step is output equations. Output equations. So here we have two outputs, right? Sum and carry. So we need to write sum equation as well as carry equation. So first sum equation. Actually, for finding the output equations, we use K-map. But here, in this situation, we are having only four possibilities, right? So that is why I am taking the answers directly here. So sum answer, simply check the column for sum. So sum column has two mean terms, right? First mean term when A value 0, B value 1. So that is why A bar B plus second mean term when A value 1, B value 0. So A B bar. Observe this equation. This is the formula for A XOR B, right? So sum formula is A XOR B. Next, one more output is carry, right? Carry. So observe the carry column. Carry column has single mean term, right? Carry column has single mean term when A equals to 1, B equals to 1. So that is why carry answer is A into B. So first step is block diagram, next truth table, next logic expressions, and the final step is go for logic circuits. According to these two equations, we are taking the logic circuits. So here these two output equations, how many inputs are there? Two inputs, right? So that is why I am taking two lines, A and B. First we have to finish the sum equation, that is A XOR B. So A and B are combining with which gate? XOR gate. So XOR gate. A and B is giving to XOR gate. Now this is the output of sum. Next, finish the carry one. Carry equals to A into B. Simply A and B are combining with which gate? A into B. Into means AND gate. So this is the output equation for carry. So in this way we are taking the half adder. So first step is block diagram, truth table, logic expressions and the logic circuit. Thank you.